Hey, so I wanted to talk to you while we're here about this particular client. This particular client has some loropetalums. These are some ruby loropetalums, and as you can see, these loropetalums have been burned. They have a burn on their leaves. A lot of them are disfoliated, are defoliating and dropping off, and a lot of that's due because a couple weeks ago we had some really warm temperatures, and then we turned right around and had an immediate about 3 nights worth of cold temperatures, and that has resulted in the dieback of plant material. We've seen it on hydrangeas, we've seen it on loropetalums, we've seen it on a number of different plants. I got the question this morning while I was at the doctor's office, what do I need to do? And honestly, at this point, you just need to let it go and it'll grow out on its own. Most of the stuff, the damage has already been done, and so just leave the plant material alone. The hydrangeas may not bloom as well as they would years past or whatever, but as far as that is concerned, if you do have a lot of frost damage and we get another heavy freeze next year or in the future, just keep in mind that your plants are going to have that little bit of a damage. Don't get too early out there because people want to jump out there and start planting stuff and doing stuff, but be careful of that false spring that we always have right there in March, 1st of April.